This is my Python 3 Pygame final project. Um, so my this project was inspired by a survival game project we did earlier in class. My project uses classes and inheritance. Classes are a base for attributes and methods the object can do and has. Inheritance is a class that inherits code from another class and adds on to it. These are some examples of my code. This would be the food class, which gives the object its basic its basic rectangles and stuff like that. And then this is the fish class, which inherits from the food class. Administration. So, basically for this game, you're trying to avoid the carp in the plastic bag and eat food, which would be the snail and the fish. Oops.
Perfect.
And then my favorite part of this project was being able to combine everything I learned into a working survival game. If I were to continue working on this project, I would make the enemy hitbox size smaller. So if you hit it, if you hit an area next to the enemy, they would immediately end the game. I would make the axolotl sprite switch depending on what direction it is moving. So if it's moving left, the axolotl would face left, and if it was moving right, the axolotl would face right. And then I would have a game over screen instead of the Pygame window just shutting down. Thank you.
Yeah, that was perfect.